Welcome to the Implant Wizard. This is where you select the implant parts that are needed. Once the two-side is selected, it brings you into the Implant Wizard, and here we can select the criteria. So first we would do is select the manufacturer. For this, we'll choose Nobel Biocare. And now the application is just going to show you the Nobel Biocare implant line. And then here we can go more specific and just say, show me the Nobel Active Internal. And it will now just reflect those specific implants. If I scroll down, you can see it here. And here I'll just select this implant, and it's going to show up here on the right-hand side with a nice image and description of it. And the tab next to implant is healing caps, and I select it, and now the application shows me the only healing caps that fit this implant. So what iConfident does is we say technically all of these fit, but it's up to you to decide which one you want to use. And then we just add it, and it comes up here on the right-hand side. After the implant and healing cap are selected, we can then choose the temporary and or final abutment. So here I'll just select the final abutment, and you'll see 6 new tabs come up, the first one being implant level impression. Again, all of these fit. It's up to you to decide which one you want to use. And then the tab next to it is procedure, and it's dimly lit, so it helps us, guide us along the other tabs. And here we choose restorative type, bridge, crown, or overdenture. We'll choose crown. And then on retention type, is it a cement or a screw? And then with this criteria in, and knowing that it's this implant, the abutment tab lights up. And so then we can select the abutment. And what the application does is shows us the only abutments that fit this implant, including custom abutments. And here we can just select that abutment. So here, the specialist could have selected the implant and the healing cap, shared this with the referring doctor. The restorative doctor could have then gone in and now can select the restorative components by selecting final abutment. And then once that's chosen, we can then choose the restorative parts. And now it's going to show you just the restorative components that fit the abutment. So it takes a lot of the guesswork out of it. And since iConfident is a centralized platform, it really brings the whole treatment team together, so everyone knows exactly what parts are being suggested or being decided upon. And that's the Implant Wizard.